Ever wondered what happens when a star dies? It leaves behind a cosmic mystery, a black hole. As the star collapses, it forms a singularity, an area of infinite density that forms a black hole's core. So, a black hole is born from the ashes of a dying star, but not all black holes are the same. Just like people, black holes come in all shapes and sizes. Let's meet the stellar black holes first, born from stars that collapse under their own weight. Then, we have the supermassive black holes, the big shots lounging at the heart of galaxies. And finally, the intermediate black holes striking a balance, not too small, not too big. Each of these cosmic behemoths has its own story, its own birthplace, and its own role in the grand scheme of things. So we have types, but what does their existence mean for us? Black holes may seem distant and unrelated to our lives, but their influence is far-reaching. They are the grand architects of galaxies, shaping and guiding their formation and evolution. Imagine a cosmic dance with black holes leading the twirls and spins of billions of stars. Their strong gravitational pull sets the rhythm, influencing the orbits of stars and even bending light itself. Light, that fastest traveler we know, is rerouted by the immense gravity of these cosmic giants. This phenomena, known as gravitational lensing, creates some of the most stunning visual effects in the cosmos. So, black holes, these mysterious entities, contribute significantly to the cosmic drama unfolding in our universe. To sum up the enigma of black holes, these celestial wonders form from dying stars, collapsing under their own immense gravity. They come in three intriguing types: stellar, intermediate, and supermassive. Each plays a fascinating role in our universe, from anchoring galaxies to bending time and space. Next time you look up at the stars, remember each one could become a black hole, contributing to the cosmic ballet in its unique way.